back and let's go and get straight into this. So the first important thing to say is there isn't actually a Netflix app within the App Store, but there's a great workaround for this, which I've done already for the YouTube app. As you can see, here it is. So let's go and get straight into this. So the first thing you need to go and do is go and open up your browser. So in this case, I'm using Safari. So you want to do is open it up, and it is best to do this with Safari, and every Mac will have it. So I recommend doing Safari. And once it's opened, all you need to do is go to Netflix. So just go and type in netflix.com. Just like so, and we can go and get taken there. And then once you're here, you can go and sign in if you like, but also you don't need to sign in as well. So in this case, I'm not going to bother signing in. Then once you're on the website, all you need to do is actually just go and move your browser down. So just move the whole window downwards, just like so. Here we are. Then all you want to do is place your mouse on the URL in the domain box or the URL box, whatever you want to call it. And you want to hold with your clicker down with your finger and then just drag off it. As you can see, it says Netflix. Then all you want to do is just go and drop it here, release your finger, and then it's going to go and drop it. And as you can see, it says Webblock Netflix. So that is essentially the app, but we're not quite there yet. Now, all you want to then do is just go and click on it once so it's highlighted. And what you want to do is open up a new tab or use the same tab on your Safari. And what you want to do is go and search for Netflix, app, logo, transparent, just like so. I'll just go and type it here just to customize it a bit more. And then you want to go and press on images, and we want to make sure we find a good logo. So this Wikipedia one's going to be fine. Then all you want to do is move this down again, and you want to come click on the Netflix app or the shortcut, then click with two fingers like so, and go and press get info. And once you press get info, we go and get this info tab here. Then all you want to do is come down here and click on the image and then hold and drag it with your finger. As you can see, here it is. And then you want to go and put it up in the top left of the info box. As you can see, I get this green plus, and you want to go and release it, and then it's going to go and add it. And there we go. As you can see, we've now got this Netflix app. So let's come close off Safari and close the info tab. And now let's go and double click on it. And what will happen is you're going to get taken straight to the Netflix website. So it's a great way to go and sort of add cool shortcuts. And then of course you can go and add it to your dock as well, or just have it on your desktop. So as you can see, I've done this for YouTube, done it for Netflix, and of course you can do it for other websites and apps as well. If you found this video useful, please go down below